Back to Germany? Or you have?
Hazur, I've got a question from brother Khalid Saleh from Holland.
Khalid?
Saleh. He's an Ahmed. He's a journalist there.
Yes.
Hazur, he's about to establish.
He appears and disappears. He's the same man, huh?
Yes.
But where does he belong now?
Now he
comes and goes. His wife is a Christian.
Yes.
And a very staunch Christian for that matter. Mm-hmm. So under the influence of his wife, he begins to drift away and suddenly reappears. Did he write recently?
He's in good contact with me.
Good, that's good. That's good.
So he's studying at the moment, and he's about to establish a travel agency. He wants to know that the tourists, if they buy tickets through him and they go to other countries through their holidays, they have to go through many mischiefs. He's feeling guilt as he'll be responsible for what they'll be doing. He feels that he will be responsible for all the mischiefs which they'll be doing.
Not at all. If he provides his car for usage to anybody else, and they use it for any bad purpose or make an accident, he will not be hurt, except for the financial losses which he may have to incur. Otherwise, when you give something to somebody else, how he uses it is his responsibility. But to keep in your shop the flesh of swine, that's a different story. Whether somebody uses it or does not use it, the flesh of swine itself is filthy and is forbidden to sell. But if you work in a hotel where they serve swine as well, then you're just a servant of the hotel. You have nothing to do with what they serve and what they do not. These things sometimes become confusing, and he should be very clear on this. The travelers can go anywhere and do whatever they like. It's no fault of his. Nor, if a traveler goes to Hajj, he will have any reward for that Hajj. Because he provides the travel agency, you know.